Baked cheesecake with jelly doesn't require baking or a mixer. It's delicious, so let's make it. Put the butter and sugar in a pot and heat it. Next, add 1 kilogram of cottage cheese, 3 whole eggs, and mix everything until combined. The mixture should be hot, but don't bring it to a boil. Then pour in 2 custards dissolved in milk, mix everything, and cook until boiling and thickened. Line a baking tray with paper. Set the dough aside for a moment. Dissolve 2 jellies in 700 milliliters of water. Then when the jelly has cooled, add 300 g of raspberries. I used frozen ones, which made the jelly solidify very quickly, so I could pour it over the dough right away. Make sure to spread it evenly. Put it in the fridge, ideally on. The cake is delicious, quick to prepare. As you can see, I highly recommend it. Bon appetit!